Sandy Carter, and I'm IBM's General Manager for the Cloud Ecosystem and Developers. And welcome to our coffee break. Now today, if you're a developer or an entrepreneur, I'm going to share 3 things that I think you should know about to take advantage of, because I think it can help increase your productivity, remove some of the friction that exists out there, and really to help hone you in on what is most important to your business, not necessarily the infrastructure. So the first thing I want to just talk about is the value and the power of developers around the world. We all know that they're new kingmakers, new queenmakers, as I like to say, and this population is growing, both in size, will reach about 25 million by 2020, but more important to me, in influence. Decisions used to be made top down, and today, more and more decisions, as I go see clients and different businesses out there, they're being made bottoms up. Developers like yourselves are having a huge impact on choice of language, choice of technology, choice of platform as you move forward. So because of this, we've really been listening with our developer council and saying, what's really important? What do we really need to get done? So I think there's 3 things I wanted to call out to you. The first was our new announcement around developerWorks Open. Now, if you haven't been out to the developerWorks platform, my team has been working on this platform to make it the creme de la creme for you as a developer. And you told us that you're really interested in Open and you want to see more and more things about Open. So we've actually created a new section called developerWorks Open. It's an amazing place because we have IBM Open experts. In fact, we have a whole team dedicated to Open that's probably one of the largest and the best in the industry, whether it's Cloud Foundry or OpenStack or Docker, Linux, the list goes on. We believe in open source. So we've opened up this community called developerWorks Open. We already have about, I think, 50 projects committed where we're going to work hand in hand with the community, you and the open source community, to develop things maybe in an industry setting, maybe retail, maybe banking, to really change the state of the industry today. This open community is open to all of you. So you can check out code, you can look at blogs, some of the supporting material, really create tomorrow's invention, but working on it with others, collaborating and getting other help. I think this open piece, I know it's the fastest growing area today, is an amazing opportunity for developers around the world to take advantage of what's out there in the marketplace. So please check out our developerWorks Open and let me know what you think about it. I'd love to hear your ideas. Now, the second thing I wanted to share with you was our recipes. So as I've gone around to many hackathons, I've been watching what developers are using. What are they really interested in? And Internet of Things keeps popping to the top. And so after sitting through a couple of these hackathons and listening again to you, we decided, well, one of the things that would help you would be developerWorks recipes around Internet of Things. So we've created these recipes. It's a new community just for sharing of Internet of Things ideas. It's user contributed, step-by-step tutorials so that you can really understand, how do I leverage these Internet of Things services on top of Bluemix? So for instance, the last little meetup I was at was in San Francisco, and we were leveraging Bluemix and Internet of Things with the new Raspberry Pi to do some simple things like, turning on and off temperature, lights, that sort of thing. But it gave us a way to create an understanding of the power of the Internet of Things so that that could then be embedded in more complicated solutions. So please check out our developerWorks recipes. Let us know if we nailed that as we move forward. And then the last area that has come up several times, in fact, James Governor for RedMock has mentioned this, Daryl Plummer from Gartner, as well as our Developer Advisory Board, which is this app gallery. Now, the app gallery is going to showcase the coolest apps that have been powered by Bluemix. It would be submitted by developers for developers. So we really want to have your app out there, showcase what you're doing, how you're doing it, and how we can really take this into the next level. It enables you to showcase what you've done, but also to see what others are doing, so you can see what your peers and what the community is doing and developing out there today. All 3 of these we've developed for you, with you, and by you. We really want to make sure that developerWorks is the place that you're going to go to start and build your application. My name is Sandy Carter. I'm IBM's General Manager for the Cloud Ecosystem and Developers, and I hope I see you in developerWorks someday. Thank you.